wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am back, and today I am trying new products to me. However, I think a majority of these are actually new released products. If you saw the Sephora haul video that I just posted a couple weeks ago, I picked new actual makeup products I was interested in out. So today I'm going to test them out for the first time. So if you want to see my thoughts, first impressions, all that stuff, then let's go. So I already used the first product off camera because I had to get real close with eyeliner because my hand would just be shaking. This is the Huda BEAUTYLife Liner Quick and Easy Precision Liquid Liner. I like it. Nice, simple, black, easy to use liner. I do wish like the pigment on this was like giving jet black type liner, but it's okay. I needed a liner, so I don't really have any complaints on this one. I'm gonna move on to primer, and I actually have two. I don't know which one to use in today's video. This is the NYX Professional Makeup First Base Blurring Primer. I guess this is in collaboration with Netflix's show Sex Education, which I think I might have started that. I think. Is that? I think. So I think this is in collaboration with them. And then this one is the Sephora Smooth and Blur Primer. I don't know which one to use. I kind of want to use the NYX one. They're both blurring primers. That's why I'm kind of like, I don't know which. What if I use both? Ooh, what if I used both? Hopefully like it gives me like a full filter look on the face. That's what we're going to do. We're going to use both primers. Okay, I'm going to put NYX directly in. Ooh, wait a minute. How's this squeezing out? I'm going to put NYX directly in my T-zone. Oh, is this a silicone primer? I low-key just put that all over the face, so I guess I'm gonna just put the Sephora on top of it. How do I open this? I'm a texture person. If you're not new here, I feel like you already know that, but like how products feel on my face and on my hands when I'm putting them on makes a difference for me. I don't like that, but we'll see how the makeup actually applies on top of it if I can get through this. That's weird. They're actually both like the same color-ish type thing, and they're giving the same. Actually, no, this isn't giving the same consistency as NYX, but they were the same color. Oh wait, I think I'm seeing like actual blurring going on here. Wait a minute, Sephora. Okay, I feel like it's giving me some blur. The next new product I have is from Rose Inc. It's their Soft Light Luminous Hydrating Concealer in the shade LX150. This will be my first time trying anything from this brand. This is what the actual concealer looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna give this a little minute to sit on my face because the formula feels very thin. All right, let's try to blend this out. Watch, this is like a concealer that's not gonna try to move because I let it sit on my face too much. Oh no, you're doing what you gotta do. Okay, she was cute. I like how it blended out. Feels nice and light on the face.
you might have to pack, is this right? You might have to pack that on a little bit, you know, if you like full coverage, stuff like that, but it was cute. I like it so far. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Setting Powder in the shade 4.0 Tan Neutral. I saw a lot of people talking about this. It looks like, ooh, looks like this. Okay, so I actually broke the sifter thing off this. Like, I purposely broke it because I don't like when they do that because the product never wants to come out. So I broke it, flipped it over so I could get the product to come out of the, I don't know what I'm talking about. And now we're just going to see how it looks on the face and set my concealer. I do have a new bronzer to try today. This is the yeah, that's how you say the brand. Sun Melt Natural Cream Bronzer in the shade Dark Bronze. And that looks like, this is the packaging. That's the shade. We've got hopes for this. I can't open nothing today. I might have packed on too much there. Ooh, yeah, I might have packed on too much. I'm gonna go ahead and distribute that out. I also have a new setting spray to try today. It's also from Sephora. It is their makeup setting spray. I'm gonna give sprays a good little shake. Ooh. Ooh. And the last new thing I have to try is from Mented. They've got a new Long Live Lash Mascara. It's like this. I'm just gonna put that on my bottom lashes because I have falsies on. And that is my face for today. Not one of my more favorable, you know, finish looks doing this type of video. Definitely liked the last trying new to me overall finish. Then this one, I'm pretty sure I know what it is. It's the concealer. You know, it's that like, I think Rose Inc is supposed to be like some type of clean beauty type thing. You know, those brands usually like to, you know, stress that they've got skincare in their products and it's a hydrating concealer-ish product. It's kind of giving like skincare in makeup, and I usually don't like products like that because it usually looks like, you know, a little grainy, like you threw in some pigment in a skincare product and it's looking like that on the skin. So that's what the concealer is giving me, and granted, like the concealer is probably the most that I have on as far as complexion products. I have a powder foundation on, but you know, it's powder foundation. It's like, it's not gonna do that much. So we're really like thriving on the concealer here, and it's the finish of it. It blended out nicely, you know, easy to blend, all that stuff. It feels nice on the face, but like the actual, if you like more simple makeup looks, so if you like more simple, easy, quick, can do in like 5 minutes, then you'll probably like this type of product, especially if you just throw on concealer, go about your day, stuff like that. But like if you do, you know, like whole makeup looks, like full coverage makeup looks, I don't know about that one. The powder, I like the color of the powder. I like the color on top, but again, I'm just not vibing with it in this look. I would definitely try the powder again though with my more go-to products, like stuff I actually know that I like. The primers, they were, especially the Sephora one, it was giving me blur, like blurring pores, stuff like that when I put it on. Definitely gonna use that one again. The NYX one, Sephora, we good so far. I saw something with Sephora. NYX, not so much. I'm gonna have to test NYX again on its own, like give it its own chance to shine and see what happens there. What else did I try? The bronzer, I wasn't expecting that, especially since the color looks kind of close to a contour-ish. I feel like it just kind of looks like I just contoured up today. So maybe check out some of the other shades. But I mean, if you want this shade, like if this shade works for you, pigment is there, okay? It blends out nice, it sits nice. I like a more cream bronzer, even though I have oily skin. What else did I try today? I already told you about the Huda liner. I think that's it. Oh, the setting spray. This claimed to be like a dewy matte. 16-hour wear, transfer proof, sweat and humidity resistant. I will update you guys on how it actually wears. Like keeps my face together throughout the day. But it didn't say it's a matte setting spray. It didn't say it's a dewy, give you glow anything. I feel like it's just a pretty like natural finish spray on the face. You know, it's not really doing much of anything to me, for me. It's just nice there on the face. And that's just kind of how I feel about today's look. Like, okay, it's cute, you know, which I was actually excited to try these things, but okay. And yeah, y'all, that was it for today's video. So I hope seeing me test out these products has helped. If any of you were thinking of picking them up for yourself, let me know what other new makeup products you want me to test out in a video like this down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.